Hey, hi, folks. Albert Einstein had once said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. This old adage is so true and all the more relevant in the digital embracing world that we all live in. The ability to successfully present is one of the most important tool any individual can have today or tomorrow. It is important both for your individual success as well as any business or any vocation that you are associated with. An effective presentation skill actually forms an integral part of communication. One needs presentation skills to present any ideas, participate in projects, present projects, plans, any sort of strategies, and for that matter, even products in front of an audience or a team, or for that matter, in front of investors, both in the online as well as in the offline world. Do you know that as per a new survey presented in the Forbes magazine, 70% of the employed people say that presentation skills are extremely critical for their own career success. The fear of giving presentation literally sends shivers down the spine, and people are desperate to just avoid it. I must tell you that I was no exception. There was a time when I also used to feel the same. As per global statistics, on any given day, 30 million presentations are delivered. Can you even imagine that this number is the equivalent of 20,000 presentations every single minute? And what do you think about these presentations? Let me tell you, audience engagement levels are highest at 92% if the attendees do most of the talking. But what happens in presentations? The audience engagement levels are at a mere 78% because the presenter does most of the talking. Does that ring some bell? Digital distractions such as mobile phones and the internet are one of the biggest inhibitors to holding audience attention during a presentation, amongst many other reasons. Poor presentation skills means that leaders can fail to inspire their team. Products can actually fail to sell if the communication isn't appropriate. If people have not really bought on the idea, if people have not really onboarded the boat along with the sailor. Entrepreneurs, they may not be able to present impactfully to attract funding. What about students? What about students in schools or in colleges? And what will really happen to people's career? They are putting an impediment in their career themselves. Don't you think that seems like a big price to pay for neglecting such a basic skill that anyone could really improve upon? We have been through several facets of communication in the previous few weeks, and it's a reality that everyone is not effective in communicating in a meeting or in a classroom or in a boardroom or even for that matter in interviews. Presenting information clearly and effectively is a key skill to get your message or opinion across. And today presentation skills are required in almost any and every single field. Presenting any point in a manner in which the message can be expressed effectively is simply the need of the hour. Many of us use presentation skills infrequently. However, there will probably be times in your own life when you will need to present information to a group of people for whichever reason, either in a formal setting or even in an informal setting. Presentations are far more than simply standing up in front of a screen and just talking or reading your way word by word through the slide. They also include the ability to get your point across in meetings, both small or large, in a manner in which it can resonate with the audience and they are able to get the message very, very clearly. So, what are some of the strategies that can work really best in your favor? If you prepare and go through the subject that you're going to present well, it can work wonders. Focus on what you wish to present. What's the need? Be enthusiastic about your presentation. Be excited. A lot of times people put too much of media in the presentation, media to an extent that it can also distract your audience. So one has to really limit that to an appropriate level. Know who's your audience. Is your audience college going student? Is your audience a mixed bag? People from different generations? Who your audience is? Maintain voice modulation. Stress where you need to stress. Ensure that you articulate the words appropriately. You know what? Great presenters always use numbers in context to something. They always say that, say for example, India is a country of many Indias. Why? Because several countries are of the size that a single state of India is. Doesn't that resonate well? It does. Find a style that works best for you. Being authentic is the best way to give any presentation. Monitor your own body language as well as movement. There's no style that's the best. Use your own style as well as humor. And most importantly, ensure that you are able to manage eye contact. I hope this short video resonates with you. Do write what aspect do you connect the most with when you give presentations, and embrace this concept in your day-to-day life. May God bless you. Wish you a happy Sunday. Cheers. All the very best. Thank you.